and today I will be showing you how to make a mini unicorn slime. Once again, you can use any type of glue for this as long as it has PVA in it. First, I'm going to go ahead and draw a face on the container. Next, it's time to make the slime. I'm going to make it in different containers so that it's easier. For this DIY, we will be making 3 different colors of slime: pink, purple, and blue. After I'm done kneading the slime. This slime is super stretchy and fun to play with. To make it the 3 different colors. I'm going to split the slime into 3 equal parts. Now it's time to dye the slime. The 3 different colors of slime, it's time to assemble. First is the pink slime. Now the blue slime. And finally, the purple slime. To make it look even more like a unicorn, I'm going to add some gold glitter. Here is the finished unicorn slime. I'm very happy about how it turned out. Thank you so much for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, please hit the subscribe button and click the bell so you can be notified every time that I make a new video. Give this video a thumbs up if you like unicorns.